Mastering the art of gardening. Understanding having a green thumb. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Having a green thumb. This expression is rich in meaning and culture, and by the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of this green idiom. Having a green thumb is an idiom that describes a person's natural talent for gardening and growing plants. It implies that someone is particularly good at making plants thrive, whether it's flowers, vegetables, or any kind of greenery. This phrase is often used to admire or commend someone's skill in gardening. It's as if their thumb, when touching plants, turns everything into a lush, vibrant scene of healthy growth. The phrase, having a green thumb, has a colorful history. It's believed to have originated from the early 20th century, with some attributing it to the green algae that can stain a gardener's fingers when handling pots and plants frequently. Another theory suggests it comes from the royal gardeners of King Edward III of England, who were so skilled in cultivating green peas they were said to have green thumbs. Regardless of its origin, the phrase has grown into a common saying across the English-speaking world, symbolizing a knack for gardening. Using having a green thumb in conversation is simple and can add a touch of color to your speech. Here are a few examples. Complimenting a friend, "I've seen your garden. You definitely have a green thumb." Discussing talents, "I wish I had a green thumb, but I'm better with computers." Talking about hobbies, "My mom has a green thumb. Gardening is her way to relax and enjoy nature." The phrase, having a green thumb, goes beyond just gardening skills. It's a celebration of growth, nature, and the ability to nurture life. In today's world, where urban living and technology often distance us from nature, having a green thumb represents a valuable connection to the earth and its cycles. It's a reminder of the patience, care, and attentiveness required to grow something beautiful and fruitful. And there you have it, a deeper understanding of what it means to have a green thumb. This phrase encapsulates more than just the ability to garden. It's about a connection to nature, patience, and the joy of seeing something grow. Whether you're an experienced gardener or someone who admires the beauty of greenery from afar, we hope this video has shed some light on this vibrant expression. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Happy gardening, or should we say, happy green thumbing!